Hey y'all, what's up? It's Victoria from Super Geeked. Did I just cheat? Did I totally buy some things to resell? I did, but I didn't cheat. It is Source Free September, so of course I'm not sourcing this month, but I did have a haul of items that I purchased to resell before I started Source Free September. So I did want to show you this haul before I get these items listed. They were sourced at thrift stores, estate sales, and even on Whatnot. You guys know I'm not really doing Whatnot, but I did buy something on Whatnot and from a website called Helpsy, which is a new website, and I'll explain to you why I bought something from them. But let's get into the haul, y'all. So first thing I picked up were these Good American jeans, and I did buy these on Helpsy. They are a dark wash with a flare. Good American always does really well. And the reason I picked these up was because Helpsy, being a new website, sent me a code for signing up for their email. I actually got a solicitation to sign up for their email, and they sent me a code to get $30 off an item. Well, I found these Good American jeans for $25, so purchased them, didn't pay anything for them, and only paid, I think, $4.95 for shipping. So definitely a good deal for me, because we love some Good American. Next up were some items that I thrifted in Tupelo, Mississippi, which is at the very top of the state, just below Memphis. This brand is called Graylin. It is sold at Anthropologie sometimes, and it's new with tags. We love that. It's this precious pink jacket. Look at those cuffs, y'all. Super cute. Love this layered look, and I just overall love the jacket. Here's the back of it. And then I also found, actually on the way out, my mom was like, let's go. And I found this Madewell sweater. So it's an oversized cardigan, one of those duster lengths, nice pockets. I love this style of sweater when it gets cold, nice and cozy. It does have ribbed cuffs. And yeah, great find. All these items that I bought in Tupelo, I paid about $5 for each. Then I found a Derek Lam dress. Now this is Derek Lam for Design Nation. I've never sold this diffusion line, but I love Derek Lam, and this dress is linen. My mom really liked the colors on it. I think she wanted to steal it, but I didn't let her. Because I know that Derek Lam, for me, generally sells between $50 and $100. So I couldn't pass that lady up. And then an Old Faithful Eliza J. I haven't found Eliza J a lot this year, but I can't pass up a good Eliza J dress. This one is in a pretty satin and glittery jacquard fabric. Very pretty, great for an event. Here's the back with a little keyhole and a button. Really pretty. If you're not picking up Eliza J, I highly, highly recommend it. It's a good seller, at least for me. Next is Amanda Uprichard. Like this brand, generally these items are in silk. This was a pretty hot pink dress. I found another hot pink Amanda Richard dress at the bins, but unfortunately it had really bad staining. So I was happy to find this one. It has elastic panels in the back, really cute little flowy skirt. Just a really cute dress. Did I say cute enough with that? Then we have Meadow Rue, which is an older Anthropologie brand, and I did think about putting this one back, but my mom thought it was really cute, so I went ahead and bought it. It is, it could be a mini dress or a tunic for somebody like me with a long torso. Has really pretty 3/4 length sleeves with the elastic. And the back is actually open. It's an extra large keyhole there, all the way down, almost to the waist. So really cute. And the layered ruffles at the bottom. I do have a love-hate relationship with this brand. It's J. Jill, but I really like this dress, y'all, and I've never seen anything like this from J. Jill. It is a floral wrap dress. It's got these pretty flouncy sleeves. It does tie wrap. Really pretty. So I thought, gee, if I'm going to pick up something J. Jill, it would probably be something like this dress. If you're new here, I love dresses. Can you tell yet? This is Maeve by Anthropologie, and it is another little floral dress. This one also has some really pretty flouncy sleeves. Love the pattern on it. And this one has a button front all the way down to the bottom. And here's the back. So I don't pick up all Maeve, but I did like this. Next is Torrid. This is a size 2, which would be a 2X in Torrid sizing. It's a little bomber style jacket. And what I really like about it is the print. It's got ribbed cuffs and it has floral with these beautiful, are those swans? What kind of bird is that? I'm not sure what, I guess that's a crane. I think that's a crane. Just really pretty floral and aviary dress. I mean, jacket. Okay, and then we got some Patagucci here, as my friend Alicia would say. Patagonia Cinchilla. I don't find Patagonia often. This one is a size large, and it is just a gray jacket, pullover, nice fleece with the cuffs. And it's not any fun pattern, it's just gray, but still, Patagucci is called Patagucci for a reason. This last dress I have sold many, 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 many times. It was sold at ModCloth, and it's made by a company called Chi Chi London. Let me show you. There's the tag. This one is new with tags. We love that. And I have sold this lace dress so many times, between $50 and $125, depending on the size and the color. I've only sold maybe 2 of the navy, but they've all sold, and they're a great, great seller. I love ModCloth and a lot of their brands that a lot of the sub-brands that they carry. And what's really cool is I purchased this dress on Whatnot. Now, I'm not on Whatnot, but I happened to stumble into this girl's sale. She was selling her own stuff, and I had a $10 credit, so I won this for $9.99. So the only cost to me was the shipping, which was about $4.95, and so that's a win for me. $5 into $50 to $125. That's a winner. All right, y'all, so that was all the clothing I picked up before I started Source Free September. Now I'm gonna show you the shoes and hard goods that I also got. It'll probably be a while before I show you another haul, so you can tell why I'm so excited to share this with you. Before we get back into the haul, I wanted to talk about this brand called Dossier. They sent me these awesome perfumes to try for you. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about Dossier and about what I think about their fragrances. So this scent, which is Gourmand Patchouli, is inspired by Terry Mugler's Angel, which I don't wear Angel, but it was my aunt's favorite fragrance. She was one of my best friends and I miss her so much, but every time I smell Terry Mugler's Angel, it reminds me of her. And so if you don't know, it's very expensive, but I got to try this and it smells great. So when you first spray it on, it kind of has a different scent than Angel does, but as it sits for a minute or so, but once it does, it smells so much, and you can tell it's very much inspired by Angel. And so I just love to wear it here and there to when I want to remember Suzanne, and I'm so grateful to now have this, and I didn't have to pay over $100 to buy the Terry Mugler version of the same fragrance. So Dossier reproduces classic high-end designer luxury fragrances for a fraction of the price. So us as resellers, we're always looking for a deal, looking to save money. What if you could get the same high quality fragrances for so much less? Wouldn't you want to try it? Well, Dossier has a risk-free systems that allows customers to try the perfumes, and if you're not satisfied, you don't have to commit. You can send them back within 30 days and get a full refund, no questions asked. So designer fragrances are generally between $50 to sometimes $300. One of the fragrances that I chose, besides Angel, which I talked about, was this Amberly Saffron, and it was actually inspired MFK Baccarat Rouge, which if you don't know is like $300. It is a fantastic fragrance, but at Dossier, they have an inspired fragrance that smells just like it for less than $40. So all of their scents are going to be $39 and under. You can't beat that price. I cannot believe how much these two fragrances smell like the ones that they were inspired by. I mean, they are so much like it. Like I said, the Gourmand Patchouli, which is inspired by Thierry Mugler's Angel, does take a minute to set. It has a different scent when you first spray it into the air, but once it settles on your skin, it smells almost identical to Angel. I love it and I love wearing it. You know, scents always invoke feelings for many of us. We remember times, we remember people, and I just love that I have this option instead of having to spend so much on a perfume that I wouldn't wear every day. Now I want to wear it every day. So another great thing about Dossier is that they offer bulk deals. So if you buy multiple fragrances, you get a percentage off. Also, I'm going to have a code in the description for you to get 10% off using the code supergeeked10. And what's cool is on their website, they also have a welcome offer for first-time buyers of 20%. So you can actually combine my code, supergeeked10, with the welcome code of 20% off and get yourself 30% off your first order from Dossier. I mean, hello, they're already inexpensive, and then you're getting a 30% discount on top of that. What? And just to top it off, Dossier has a new payment method called Catch that allows you to earn points towards a percentage off your next purchase. So like many companies, they have a rewards program. You select Catch on the last step of your checkout and you instantly earn a $10 bonus credit. After that, you'll get rewarded with 10% off of every order. So I'm super excited Dossier reached out to me and wanted me to try 2 of their fragrances for you because they definitely have a fan in me now. And now you can try them too if you like for 30% off. They're 20% welcome plus my 10% code. And on future purchases, you'll get discounts also using Catch to earn points towards future purchases. So thank you Dossier for sending me your fragrances. I'm in love. Now let's get back to the haul. First up are these fun little booties from Lucky Brand. There's the logo inside. And they are peep toes, very clean, probably hardly worn. They are in a size 7.5. And I just really thought they were super cute. So I picked them up, and then I got these cuties. They are UGG, and they are actually a size 12, but I wear an 11 and they fit me. So very cute loafers, all leather, super soft. I was very much considering keeping them for myself. And they even have nice soft leather insoles. I picked these up in Tupelo. I also picked the Lucky Brand booties up in Tupelo, Mississippi. It does have some wear, but I actually have leather paint that I've used and it worked out really good. So, and we love the little UGG logo on the side. So very cool and nice large women's size shoes. The next item I wanted to show you was this pretty little creamer. This is actually for me. I picked this up at an antique store. I went to go look for some things to resell, but I knew Source Free September was about to start. It's from North Star. I'm going to talk about North Star when we get into Source Free September in my kitchen, but I did want to get this to add to my collection. I know, Victoria, you're not supposed to be buying stuff for yourself. because you're supposed to be cleaning out, but I did get this. I couldn't pass it up. I found this fun guy at the thrift store for just $2.99. This is gonna be a Christmas present to my dad. Let me turn this so you can see it. It is a Mississippi State Christmas ornament, and it is his alma mater and also my alma mater. So I did go to Mississippi State. And yeah, are y'all already shopping for Christmas gifts? Because if you're not, you might want to. Look, y'all, I don't normally buy Lucky Brand shoes, but again, I couldn't pass these up because they were so clean and they are a super, look how soft this leather is. I mean, just folds right up, so soft. And looks like, oh, they were $8.99, but they were half off because blue was the color of the week. So I did get them for $4.50. Really cute, just little loafers. That's gonna make somebody happy. And last piece I picked up was this American pottery piece. They had it for $1.99 at Goodwill. I could not leave it behind. It is by Edwin M. Knowles Company, and it is mid-century. It is American pottery, and I already looked this up. I should be able to sell this plate for somewhere around $15. So great. $1.99 into $15 is awesome. All right, y'all, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoy watching my haul. It's gonna be a little bit before you see one from me since we're in full swing of Source Free September. Be on the lookout as new videos will be coming out next week as I go through my home and find items to source to resell. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.